On September 17, 2018, the government of Jamaica announced a policy to implement a ban on single-use plastic scandal bags, plastic drinking straws, and expanded polystyrene foam products used in the food and beverage industry in 3 phases starting January 1st, 2019. The ban is but one measure to safeguard the nation's natural and built environments. The government is extremely pleased with the overwhelming positive reaction, national reaction, and response to the policy announcement. The support is estimated at over 90% coming from the sector groups, other stakeholders, and consumers in general. Clear evidence of the positive response is a rapid disappearance of single-use plastic bags and plastic straws from the trade and a pronounced behavior change and attitude coming from the Jamaican people. I wish to pause to congratulate all of Jamaica for the support and buy-in to this well-needed environmental policy. We have now moved, as of January 1st, 2020, to phase 2 of the ban, which restricts the manufacture and distribution and use of expanded polystyrene foam, styrofoam products in the food and beverage industry. However, we expect an even smoother transition from the use of these polystyrene products to the alternatives on the market for the single reasons that persons and businesses have had a much longer time to prepare themselves for the ban. I believe that 15 months is more than adequate time for businesses to identify suitable alternative packaging at cost-effective prices. We also expect that the prices for the alternatives will trend downwards in the coming months, based on the fact that businesses would have retooled as well as the competition in the marketplace. Let me reiterate, the government will be taking strong enforcement action against those persons and companies that do not comply with the ban. Jamaica Customs Agency has also held firm at the ports of entry, confiscating banned items, preventing them from entering the trade. To date, 6 businesses have been fined under the NRCA Plastic Packaging Materials Prohibition Order, and another 30 business persons and individuals will also be charged and face the court in the coming weeks. The maximum fine under the Trade Act is $2 million, while under the NRCA Order 2018, the fine is $50,000. Both carry a term of imprisonment of 2 years, respectively. As was the case with the ban on single-use plastics, the Ministry and NEPA are again partnering on an extensive public awareness program regarding the styrofoam ban. So we have visited the parishes of Manchester and St. Catherine, and it is still early days regarding feedback, but it is noted that a number of establishments in these parishes are compliant. Since the ban, the country has witnessed a pronounced reduction of plastics in terrestrial and marine environment. We have observed significant behavior and attitude change with regard to the banned items, and Jamaican calling for the banning of more items such as plastic utensils, pampers, and other plastic food containers. There are several business opportunities for large corporations, and MSMEs have also blossomed from this initiative, with business being developed to specialize in the alternatives. At the core of the policy's implementation is a greater focus on pollution control with the aim of improving the lives of all Jamaicans, as well as safeguarding public health and the environment. The measures we are adopting has Jamaica at heart, and it is Jamaica that will ultimately be the winner.